I get money. Bookers and Lily's Toy Food and Fun. Hey guys, today we're gonna open this Barbie cash register. Let's do it. But first, before we do it, let's talk about it. So we have Barbie right here and her friends. And we got the buttons. And we got the thing so we can pay. And we got the money right here. And we got this. And let's look in the back. There's a little girl. And she looks a lot like Barbie, doesn't she? Let's open her. So now let's open it. Ooh. My money. I get money. Okay, so now that we got this out, let's get this out. Wow. Money, my money. 10 cents. Okay, so now we're gonna get playing, but first we need a customer. So we're gonna wait for our next customer to come. Oh. Look, here's your customer. It's Pinky the bear. And she's gonna buy some of her cupcakes. Here's all her stuff. Wow, everything I get. Your total will be $5,110. And I'll also need a credit card. It'll be $5.50. It'll be $10.50. And it will be, let's see, oh, this is $2.50. Is it? Okay, so that will, and you have a credit card, that will be great to have. Oh, you have all of this? That's great. Okay. Wow, this is a lot of money. You have Pinky. How did you even get that much? Okay, let's close it. Okay, now I'm gonna sign your credit card. Okay. Now let me stand those cupcakes. Okay. Okay. You have another total. So, and they also have like buttons. And like they have this Barbie thing. And they have a scanner. And it has a key so you can open it like this. And you can scan it like right here, like slide it. So now we're gonna get back to playing. So, okay, so you have another total for these. So it'll be 10 cents. Okay. Oh, thank you. Now, can you slide your credit card, ma'am? Okay. Can you slide it one more time, please? Wait, one more time. Okay. Thank you for shopping. hope you liked this video. Hi guys, thanks for watching our videos. If you want to see more cool videos like this, subscribe to our channel or click on one of the videos below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.